Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black Sea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Cardano, ADA. I want to take a look at Bitcoin, give you guys my opinion on the overall market, because there's some very, very fascinating things happening in this market. And is this time different? We're going to take a look at that. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. So guys, first things first, over on crypto Twitter, you can follow me at 333 Black Sea. I posted Cardano dropping out of the top 10 is a sign. This market is different. Do you understand? Do you understand? What does this mean? What does it mean that Cardano is dropping out of the top 10? To me, in my opinion, I think this shows this time is different, guys. It has been different. I'll say, the first bull market we've had throughout the past year or so after we saw the FTX collapse mainly was meme coins and very, very selective coins making big rallies off of the bottom. A lot of other coins really underperformed. A lot of the utility coins, the coins that actually have a quote-unquote purpose. Now, when it comes to Cardano, ADA, I have my opinion on it. They really need to start moving. If we want to see Cardano perform well, they really need to start building their community. When you compare it to Solana, you even compare it to Ethereum, I think Ethereum's lacking, and the only reason why it is where it is because it's first mover's advantage. But we really need to see products get delivered. You can't just say, I'll give it to Charles Hoskinson. I believe that's how you say his name. I'll give it to him that he's a very, very good marketer. He is a good marketer. He knows how to get people excited about ADA. That being said, we need to see some deliverables, guys. We need to see some deliverables. We need to see that community grow, in my opinion, for me to be bullish. And I will say, guys, I was a big bull on Cardano. I don't own it anymore, but I did make a significant amount of money in the last crypto bull market from Cardano. It was probably one of my best returning investments. So now let's take a look at this. So it is quite a sight to see. Back in 2017, would I say I don't expect to see ADA? I expect to see ADA drop out of the top 10. I would tell you no. But that was a different time, guys. That's when all there really was white papers. There weren't really many actual products to be sold. They were just ideas. It was pure speculation. And as the market has matured, there's less and less opportunity for just bets on pure speculation. The risk to reward is not really worth it when you have other projects turning into products and are delivering. That's my 2 cents on it. But you got to scroll down now, rank 11. Sure, it's not in the top 10. It could bounce back there, but I really want to see. People need to use the product, guys. People need to use the product. You look at Solana. I'm going to keep going back to Solana. Solana has become the main character of this bull market when it comes to utility coins. This cycle, and in the beginning of this video, I said the first bull market within this cycle, when we saw the rally off the bottom, was mainly meme coins. We did see Solana be kind of a phoenix that rose from its ashes, going all the way down to $8 and came all the way back to $190 recently. I'm really hoping that this next leg up that we see in Bitcoin, which we will talk about later in this video, will be the juice, we'll call it, for these utility coins to get some love, to really bring back speculation on coins that actually have value. But that being said, guys, Cardano has an ecosystem, but it's not really being used that much. It's really not being used that much. I really want to see some deliverables. I'll put it to that way. So I thought it'd be a fun little experiment to just Google Cardano news. And man, I don't like seeing these things right here. It's all talking about top 10. It's dropping out of the top 10. Tron sees growth. Who uses Tron? No offense if you like Tron. It's pretty fascinating. I don't like seeing, I just want to be transparent here, guys. I did make a lot of money off of Cardano before, but right now the risk is not worth the reward, in my opinion, for Cardano. And I know a lot of you guys that if you hold Cardano, you may say, well, Black Sea, why do you say that? It's terrible. You're hating. Guys, I'm just being transparent. I'm being transparent. And, seeing Cardano drop out of the top 10, the market prices everything at fair value. The market says Cardano's not worthy of being in the top 10, so it's not in the top 10. They need to change something. ADA needs to change something to really regain that in the top 10 for people to be confident investing in ADA. And sure, there's a lot of other things going on, A lot of people are gambling and trying to just make money off meme coins, especially in this long sideways chop. But at the end of the day, a product will be used and its value will go up when a product is good. And the market shows that it's not worthy of being in the top 10. I do want to talk about this over on my Instagram at 333blacksea. I say, first you have to risk it all in the trenches with the altcoins and meme coins before you become a Bitcoin maximalist. When Crypto Cape and I were with Pomp over at the convention, we're talking about, it's interesting. He's a Bitcoin maximalist. And to get there, a lot of people can't afford to be a Bitcoin maximalist. They want to make the big money so they can really be allowed, I jokingly say allowed, to put their gains into Bitcoin. But why would a lot of these people that don't have millions and millions of dollars buy into Bitcoin for a 2x when you could be buying into some altcoins that give you 10, 20, 30x? And that's what a lot of this meme coin mania has turned into, because people need to risk it all in the trenches before they can become a Bitcoin maximalist. And as I make more money in the cryptocurrency space, I become more and more, okay, I want Bitcoin. I want Bitcoin. I want to make money from the altcoins and put it into Bitcoin. As you risk it all, you'll start to see that happening. But you got to have the hero's journey, guys. You got to get beaten up. You got to be risking it. And not financial advice, but I know that that's a lot of how the market psychology works for the cryptocurrency space. And I will say, guys, if you follow me at 333blacksea, if I can reach over 500 followers by next Sunday, this Sunday, I will give away $1,000 worth of crypto. So go follow me there. So, guys, where are we at right now with Bitcoin? Is Cardano going to rally, or is it going to just keep tanking from right now? I will say the main thing I want to take a look at here, guys, I expect sharp moves this week. I really do. And we've seen it already today. Bitcoin dominance trading at 55.83%. This is the most important thing for us to be looking at right now when we're talking about Cardano and Cardano's price. So when you exclude stablecoins, we're basically trading at 56.82%, 57.82% more so. It's about 2% wiggle room with stablecoins. And we'll take a look at the total three here in a minute. But I do expect that Bitcoin dominance is topped out. I do expect some love for those altcoins, as long as big important thing to be paying attention to here, guys. As long as Bitcoin stays in this channel and doesn't get an impulse wave above $72,000 or below $52,000. Very important we're looking at that, guys. So where is ADA right now? Doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. A lot of, in my opinion, a strategy I was using throughout this last rally to the upside for crypto was, okay, have we tested, when I was looking at altcoins, a big thing I was looking at is, okay, have we started to make tests to previous all-time highs, previous cycle highs? And if the answer was no, we didn't come close to it, then I said, okay, my risk investments are worthy in other crypto. As simple as that. And guys, I remember seeing Cardano up here. I made 100x play on Cardano, buying it at 3 cents, and selling it at $3. It was a fantastic 100x, was taking profit along the way. That's how you make money in crypto. You take profits along the way, guys. Don't get caught bag holding. Don't let people tell you, oh, you got a diamond hands it. Oh, you got a diamond hands it. Sure. You can have some moon bags. I like that strategy. That's what I do, especially when it comes to meme coins. I like to take profit along the way. And sure, it might dilute your investment, but guess what? Profits are profits, guys. Profits will always beat losses. It's as simple as that. But I will say that not seeing Cardano even break back above $1 so far in this long sideways chop, it's a red flag to me, and the market agrees, and that's why Cardano dropped out of the top 10. Looking at total 3, like I said, guys, I think that there is chance for more downside here. I think that altcoins can come down to about this $417 billion price level, this market cap. And if that does happen, if we see altcoins spill over, probably see Bitcoin dominance rally, probably see altcoins get hurt, probably see Cardano get hurt even more. And right now we're trading at about 33 cents, which is pretty bad, guys. It's pretty bad. I just want to be transparent. I'm not trying to be a massive bear. I just want to be transparent for the Crypto Report listeners. That's you guys. I want to be transparent. I don't hold Cardano anymore. I traded it. Like I said, I made good money off of it, and now I'm watching this play out. Maybe we can look for a bounce, but I think that there's a chance here that we come down to the lows of 24 cents, which is pretty incredible to think about. Coming down to the lows of the bear market. It's possible, guys. It's possible. We need to see Cardano make some deliverables. We need to see there to be actual dapps, actual devs developing on the Cardano blockchain. That's my opinion. Before you see some actual excitement with Cardano. Like I said, though, total 3, I think that we are looking for a spillover, especially if we see a breakdown in Bitcoin. We're going to talk about Bitcoin right now because Bitcoin is trading in a very, very important price level. We saw a weekly candle close is at the epitome of indecision here, guys. I would expect if we see a breakdown for it to happen this week. I do expect that. So we need to be paying very close attention to that. If we hold above, say, $57,000, this wick right about here, if we hold above it, then I would say, okay, much more likely for more sideways here and not see a breakdown. Sideways leading into a move to the upside to the top of this broadening wedge at about $72,000. We have a week. We have 6 days and 5 hours to be paying very close attention to this. If we break down, I expect Cardano to get hurt pretty bad. Just throwing that out there. I know, don't crucify me, guys, but it's just me being transparent. It's what I'm seeing. I put my money where my mouth is. I'm not just saying these things. That's why I'm not holding Cardano right now. It's my opinion. We need to be paying very close attention to Bitcoin. We need to see what plays out here. Do we break down this week? If we do not break down this week, then I think that there's more likelihood of sideways chop making our way to the upside above $60,000. Guys, if you like this type of content, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Check out some fantastic referral links down below. If you want to short Cardano, if you think that what my thesis is correct, check out those awesome referral links down below. A $5,000 sign-on bonus to Blowfin, $4,100 sign-on bonus to Femex. All you do is you got to click those links, deposit, trade. You get a bunch of free money, get some free trades. Take advantage of that money. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.